How is that feeling today? As for me, I am very happy now. Today, I'm going to teach how to use A and M for Year 5 students. Before we start, I have questions. That is, what is A and M and how can we use them? Think about it. Yes, A and M is the article. A is one thing or one person. Also, A and M is one thing or one person. They are the same meaning. That's why, what is the difference between them? How can we use? Yes, we use A before words with a consonant. For example, a bat, a pencil, a pen, a ruler. Also, we use A and M before words beginning with vowel. What is vowel? There are 5 words in vowel. A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels. For example, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Start with A. That's why is it? A is vowel. That's why we had to use with A and M. An apple, an orange, an aeroplane. Okay, do you got it? This time you are 10. What more can you say? Please write down 5 examples each for 1. Let's practice together for this worksheet. Okay. A bottle and ball. Yes, a ball. That's why you have to circle the correct answer. One is already done for you. A ball. Okay, a goat or a goat. The answer is a goat. That's why you have to circle a goat. A tree or a tree. Yes, a tree. An apple or an apple. Apple is start with vowel A. That's why we had to use A and M. The answer is an apple. A ant or an ant. The answer is an ant. A flower or a flower. The answer is a flower. A umbrella or an umbrella. Umbrella is start with vowel U. That's why you have to use A and M. An umbrella. A cat or a cat. Yes, a cat. A guitar or a guitar. Yes, a guitar. A orange or an orange. Orange is start with vowel O. That's why we have to use A and M. An orange. A bag or a bag. The answer is a bag. The last one, a television or a television. Yes, the answer is a television. Do you got it? This worksheet is for you to more practice. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Thank you for your learning. Bye bye. Have a nice day.